Have you ever felt like you just wanted to go bonkers? As English learners, understanding common idioms like this can be a real struggle. But don't worry, I'm here to help you master this one and improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story that shows what can happen when you take an idiom too literally. My friend Samantha was having a really stressful day at work. She kept saying she felt like she was going bonkers. Unfortunately, Samantha misunderstood and thought go bonkers meant doing something completely silly. So, what does go bonkers actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to someone becoming very excited, frantic, or losing control of their emotions. The origin of the word bonkers is linked to the word bonk, which originally meant to hit on the head. This evolved to describe someone mentally unbalanced, eventually softening to describe a state of excitement or frenzy. Let me show you how to use go bonkers correctly. When my friend Samantha's computer crashed and she lost an important presentation, she started pacing around the office, pulling her hair and shouting, "I'm going bonkers." She was clearly very stressed and upset, but at least she knew the right way to express it. Here are some examples of how you can use go bonkers in different contexts. The kids were going bonkers when I told them we were going to the amusement park. The CEO went bonkers when he saw the quarterly sales figures. I was going totally bonkers trying to finish that report on time. My friend went bonkers when she won the lottery. The character in the book went completely bonkers after losing his job. The marketing team went bonkers trying to come up with a viral social media campaign. My followers went bonkers when I posted that crazy dance video on TikTok. To help you remember the meaning of go bonkers, think of a squirrel frantically running around, going a bit bonkers as it searches for nuts. While the precise origin is debated, go bonkers gained popularity in the mid-20th century. Interestingly, bonkers is more common in British English than American English. It's a great example of how English idioms often reflect the cultural values and beliefs of the time period in which they originated. Over the years, the usage of go bonkers has evolved, and now it's commonly used to express a wide range of intense emotions, from excitement to frustration. Some similar idioms to go bonkers include go berserk, lose it, and freak out. On the other hand, the opposite of go bonkers would be to keep your cool, stay calm, or maintain composure. Related idioms might include go wild, go crazy, or go off the rails. For example, you could say, "I went bonkers when I found out I won the lottery." But you could also rephrase that as, "I was extremely excited and overwhelmed when I found out I won the lottery." I remember one time when my friend Sarah was giving a presentation at work, and her computer suddenly crashed. She started pacing back and forth, muttering under her breath, "I'm going bonkers, I'm going bonkers." The whole room could feel her frustration, but she was able to express it perfectly with that idiom. One common mistake people make when using go bonkers is to say "I'm going to go bonkers," which is grammatically incorrect. Instead, you should say "I'm going bonkers" or "I'm about to go bonkers." Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking go bonkers means to literally turn into a squirrel, like my friend Samantha did. Remember, it's a figurative expression, not a literal transformation. Quiz time! Let's see how well you've learned the idiom go bonkers. 1. What is the meaning of go bonkers? A. To become very excited or frantic. B. To turn into an actual squirrel. C. To lose one's temper. D. All of the above. 2. Which of these is a synonym for go bonkers? A. Keep your cool. B. Go wild. C. Stay calm. D, B, and C. 3. Which of these is an antonym for go bonkers? A. Freak out. B. Lose it. C. Maintain composure. D, B, and C. Alright, let's recap what we've learned about the idiom go bonkers. It's a common expression used to describe someone who is becoming very excited, frantic, or losing control of their emotions. Understanding and using idioms like this can really boost your English communication skills and help you sound more natural and fluent. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom go bonkers in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to incorporate this expression into your English conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful idiom lessons.